I was on Instagram the other day when someone was showing off a gorgeous hairstyle that her mother did on her, which was a snake braid. And people in the comments were curious, and she wasn't so sure what it was, so I thought, oh boy, it's time I should update my video about the snake braid. This is an advanced technique. This is very challenging. I never do this, even though it's pretty spectacular. So it is basically winding a braid around the back of your head like a snake, and you do that with a lace braid. So I just did a video about the differences between a Dutch braid, a French braid, and a lace braid. This is a Dutch lace braid, so that it does have the sticking up quality that a Dutch braid does. So what I'm doing here is I started in the far left corner of my head, and I am Dutch braiding, but only taking hair on one side. That's what makes it a lace braid. So on the front side, I'm taking hair, and I'm trying to go as straight across the front of my scalp as I can. Remember to always pull apart the strands fully, because your hair will start braiding itself on the bottom as you are braiding at the top, and then it gets super tangled, which did happen to me while I was doing this. So do as I say, not as I do. So once you get to this corner, you're going to turn around and start braiding back the other way. Again, as parallel as you possibly can to the back of your head. And it's tricky to do it without being able to see the back of your head, which is why it's easier to do it on someone else than on yourself. But I'm doing my best by feel to turn the braid around, again, still only taking from that same side and moving it across the back of my head. And now coming around a corner again, we're turning and snaking our way back the other direction, still only taking from that same side, which is now on top. And at this point, in retrospect, having already seen the finished result, I wish that I had kept it a little bit more parallel, because it just starts kind of falling downwards, and I probably could have gotten one more turn in if I had kept it a little more up. But so it goes. I couldn't see the back of it, and so if I were to do this again, I would try to get one more turn in. And then I'm just regular braiding down as far as I want to. So you can kind of start to see there the way that it snakes and twists, but I will put up a picture with crazy filters on to allow you to hopefully see some more detail on my black hair.